guided courses are made up of individual levels designed to create a fun and captivating learning experience. Levels build upon each other to ensure concept mastery, and guidance from interactive tutorials empowers kids to learn independently and at their own pace. Control your hero through real coding. Syntax suggestions at every step. See your code come to life. Code-A-Thon introduces to basics of coding and takes you step by step through interactive gamified plots, until you will be able to create your own games. Learn to create basic to complex web pages by yourself. Trained and certified TAI success coaches will be dedicated to guiding you at every step.